Gawa ko ng atsara. Ayan. Hugasan. Okay. 1 piece of carrot, slice, red onion, and ginger, and green chili. Vinegar, water, and sugar, salt. Okay, boiled na siya. So, lagyan na natin yung carrots and red onion and ginger. Sama-sama na yan lahat. Peppercorns and green chili. Yan. Yan. Tapos last yung papaya. Yan. Mga 3 minutes lang. Tapos off mo na yung fire. Off na yung fire. Yan. Mix. Ayoko ng raisins. Yan lang. Off ko na yung fire. Yan. Yan. Transfer ko yan sa bowl na malaki. Excuse me, Avik. Move, please. Yeah.
Oh, I know this salad. Yeah, the pomade salad.
Okay. This one, not my things.
The what, your hand?
The hand is there, well, of course.
I'm not taking your face. Only the pot, your head, the ladle, and the
Okay,
salad.
thanks, Dave. Okay, then. Achara is ready. Achara.